Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about the carbon chain. We discussed about uh, open chain. We discussed about closed chain, cyclic form of carbon compounds. We discussed about this. In today's class, we'll discuss about a very important topic, that is homologous series. Homologous series. Here, homologous series, it is a series of carbon compounds where the carbon compounds are of the same types, but the carbon compounds differ by CH2, means one carbon and two hydrogen. So this types of series is called homologous series. It is a series of same types of carbon compounds, or you can say carbon chain, where two compounds differ by CH2. Okay, let me take an example. It will be clear. Here, suppose a carbon compound having single bond, that is a saturated carbon compound. We are taking the saturated carbon compound chain. Now, here I am taking this two carbon atoms. If we fill by hydrogen, then it will be CH3 single bond CH3. Now, if we increase one more carbon here, then its formula will be CH3 CH2 CH3. Okay, CH3 CH2 CH3. So here the difference in between these two carbon compounds, that is CH2, means they differ by single bond CH2 single bond. This group. So two carbon compounds, a carbon chain, same types of carbon compounds are there, means both are the saturated carbon compound, both have the same kinds of structures, same types of structure, but here the difference is CH2. Okay, both are connected, both of them are connected by single bond. Okay. Now if we take the example of a different one, that is CH3OH. This OH, it represents the compound belongs to alcohol family. Okay. This carbon compound belongs to alcohol family, where OH is the functional group of alcohol. Okay. Now what will be the next homologous of this compound, that is CH3CH2OH. So with this two compound, this one is the second member of this alcohol family. Here these two members differ by CH2. Okay, what is the difference in between these two? So suppose the question is that what is the next homologous of CH3CH2OH? What will be your answer? Then the answer will be CH3CH2CH2OH. Is that clear? So the next homologous of CH3CH2OH is CH3CH2CH2OH. Okay. Later we will learn how to write the name of this compound. We will learn this one. Okay. Now next question. Find the next two homologous of the following compounds. Of the following compounds. Number 1, CH3CH2CH3. Number 2, CH3CH2CH2OH. Okay. Number 3, CH3COOH. Number 4, CH3CH2CHO. Okay. Let us solve these questions. So the next homologous, how will get the next homologous? By adding CH2, by increasing one carbon and two hydrogen within this compound, right? So the next homologous of compound 1, next homologous of compound 1, that is we have to increase one more carbon and two hydrogen, that is CH3 CH2 CH3. The next homologous will be CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Okay, let us solve the next one. So here CH3 CH2 CH2H. So next homologous will be CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH. Number 3 CH3COOH. The next one will be CH3 CH2 COOH. Number 4, I have not solved it. That's your homework. Okay. Here CHO is the functional group. Here CHO is the functional group. In case of CH3COOH, COOH, it is the functional group. That's why you put CH2 in between CH3 and COOH. तो COOH जो है ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. एक्चुअली दिस वन इज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. सो CH3 और COOH के बीच में हम लोग CH2 रखें. ठीक है, CH3 और COOH के बीच में CH2 रखें. फाइन. ये चलो, अच्छा फंक्शनल ग्रुप क्या है इसके बारे में डिटेल्स डिस्कशन आगे होने वाला है. कोई बात नहीं, आप लोग नॉर्मली समझो. Some atoms a single element or a group of element which displace one or more hydrogen from a carbon chain. It provides some particular properties to that compound, that is called a functional group. If we take the example, that is suppose CH4. Here the carbon atom is connected to, here one carbon atom is connected to 4 hydrogen atoms, right? Now, if one hydrogen atom of this compound is replaced by OH, this is a group of atoms. Okay, OH, that's a group. So, what will be? It will be CH3OH. Now, it belongs to alcohol family now. So, here OH, it provides a special properties to this compound. So, here OH is the functional group. Clear? Suppose in this compound, one hydrogen is displaced by or replaced by chlorine. So it will be CH3Cl. Right? Here this Cl, it provides a different property to this compound. So here Cl is the functional group. Okay, Cl is the functional group. So this one is the functional group, and we will discuss about functional group later in details. हम लोग आगे इसके बारे में और भी बात करेंगे. Okay, let us proceed for the next topic. In today's class, we will discuss about a very important topic, that is alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Now, it is very well known to all of us that there are 3 types of bond which can be present in between 2 carbon atoms in a carbon chain. Carbon can combine with another carbon by forming single bond, double bond, or triple bond. If in between 2 carbon atoms within a carbon chain only single bond is present, okay, only single bond is present, then this carbon compounds are called alkane. They are called alkane. Where within the total carbon chain only the single bonds are present, right? Only the single bonds are present, that is called alkane. Another one, where in between 2 atoms of carbon double bond is present, means it's not necessary that all the bonds are double bond. If any of the bond is double bond within the carbon chain, then this compound will be considered as alkene. Okay, it will be considered as alkene. तो एक कार्बन चेन में अगर कोई भी एक बॉन्ड अगर डबल बॉन्ड होगा तो उसको हम लोग alkene बोलेंगे. Now, if any of the bond in between 2 carbon atom is triple bond, कोई भी एक बॉन्ड अगर कार्बन चेन के अंदर कोई भी एक बॉन्ड अगर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होगा, then it will be considered as alkyne. Okay, alkyne. Now, easily you can identify whether the carbon chain is categorized as alkane, alkene, or alkyne by showing its from its structure. Okay, now I am giving you some examples. This question: find the alkanes. Okay, find the alkanes. Now here, number one, CH3, CH2, CH3. Number two, CH3, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH3. Number three, CH3, C triple bond, CH. Number four, C double bond, CH2 double bond, CH2. Number five, CH3 single bond, CH3. Number six, Hc triple bond, C CH2 CH3. Okay, here you have to identify the alkane only. Okay, identify which are the alkanes here. वीडियो को पॉज करें, सब लोग को ट्राई करें. Here we learn that alkanes are those carbon compounds in which within the carbon chain only single bond is present in between two carbon atom. तो यहाँ पे कार्बन चेन में दो कार्बन एटम के बीच में सिर्फ और सिर्फ सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा, तो ये alkane होगा. So in case of the first example, you can see that no double bond or triple bond is present, so this one is alkane. Okay, तो ये पहला वाला alkane. Here the double bond is present, so it is not alkane. Okay, what it is? What this one is? This one is alkane and this one is alkene. Okay, obviously this one is alkene. Here triple bond is present, so it will be alkyne. Here double bond is present, this one is alkene. Here only single bond is there in between two carbon atom, so this one is alkene. Here triple bond is present, so this one is alkyne. Now from the structure you can easily identify whether the given compound is alkane, alkene or alkyne. Right? Now my question is that suppose if the structure is not given, then how will you be able to identify that? Suppose the formula is given, number of carbon, number of hydrogen, these are already given. So let me discuss about here general formula. So write this general formula. Okay. Let me discuss about the general formula of alkane, alkene or alkyne. So here the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atom. Okay, where n is the number of carbon atom. Right? N is the number of carbon atom, where n value may be 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे करके हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, समझ में आया? अब देखो, if we put the value of n1 in case of this, अगर इसमें हम लोग n के जगह पे 1 पुट करें तो क्या आएगा? C1H2 into 1 plus 2. ये plus 2 2n plus 2n. नीचे वाला नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन 2n plus 2, तो क्या हो जाएगा? CH4, 2 आंसर 2 plus 2 4, CH4. समझ में आया? समझ में आया? ये होगा alkane. Okay, if we put n is equal to 2, what will be? It will be C2H. देखो क्या होगा? 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 6, C2H6. अगर इसका हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे तो देखो यहाँ पे दो कार्बन है, 2 कार्बन एटम्स आते हैं, 1 2, and this one is alkane, means only single bond will be there. सिर्फ इसमें सिंगल बॉन्ड होंगे. Now fill by hydrogen, CH3 CH3. Okay, so this one is the formula, this one is the structure of the compound C2H6. Clear हुआ? समझ में आया? C2H6, this one, this structure of this compound is CH3 single bond CH3. तो स्ट्रक्चर अगर गिवन नहीं होगा तो हम लोग फॉर्मूला देख के पता कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर्मूला से स्ट्रक्चर भी बना सकते हैं। अब एक जगह समझो कि आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये सिंगल बॉन्ड होगा या डबल बॉन्ड होगा, एल्केन होगा या एल्कीन होगा। तो उसका एक ट्रिक है। अब इस तरफ ध्यान दो, CnH2n+2 विद इन द कंपाउंड द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन, इसको अगर हम लोग डबल करें और उससे दो ज्यादा हाइड्रोजन अगर कंपाउंड में है तो फिर वो एल्केन होगा। आई एम गिविंग यू अनदर एग्जांपल, दैट इज C3, ओके, C3H8। अब क्वेश्चन है क्या ये एल्केन है? तो क्या करोगे, देखो 3 को डबल करो, 3 को डबल करो 6, 6 + 2 8, देखो 8 हाइड्रोजन है इसमें, क्लियर? सो यस इट इज एल्केन। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज दैट C4H8, is it alkane? Number of carbon 4, number of carbon 4, डबल कर दो 8, 2 ऐड करो 10, is it contain 10 hydrogen? No. So this one is not an alkane, okay, it's not alkane, ये alkane नहीं है, clear? By this process you can easily identify whether the given compound is alkane or means alkene, okay? मतलब alkane को ऐसे आइडेंटिफाई कर लेंगे, समझ में आ गया? चलो आगे बढ़े। नेक्स्ट alkene, its general formula is CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon, that is 2 3 . Now the question is in your mind here and now, that is sir एल्केन में n स्टार्ट हुआ 1 से, एल्कीन में 2 से क्यों? एल्कीन में 2 से क्यों, 1 क्यों नहीं है? सपोज if we put 1 in case of n, means if we put the value of n 1 in case of alkene, then what will give? C1H2 into 1, that is CH2. What is the valency of carbon? That is 4. So one carbon will combine with minimum 4 hydrogen, okay? तो एक कार्बन 2 हाइड्रोजन के साथ इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयर करके बॉन्ड तो बना लिया यहाँ पे, बट कार्बन के पास और भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन है। कार्बन ऑल्सो कंटेन दिस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, तो इसका तो बॉन्ड बनना चाहिए। दैट्स व्हाई by using one carbon we cannot form alkene, okay? देखो एल्कीन में डबल बॉन्ड होता है, तो डबल बॉन्ड देने के लिए कम से कम 2 कार्बन तो होना चाहिए। एक कार्बन में कैसे डबल बॉन्ड हो गया? ऐसे नहीं है ना, ऐसा नहीं होगा, ठीक है? क्लियर क्लियर। तो n is equal to 2, n starts from 2. तो if we put the value of n is equal to 2 here, then we'll get C2H4, 2 2s are 4, okay, C2H4. What will be the structure of this compound? Okay, what will be the structure of this compound? Here 2 carbon atoms are there, so obviously this one is alkene, so it should have the double bond in between these 2 carbon, that is CH2 double bond CH2, okay, CH2 double bond CH2. Now if we put the value of N3, what will get? That will be C3H6. What is the structure? Here 3 carbon 1 2 3. तो पहले हम लोग सभी में सिंगल बॉन्ड कर देंगे, पहले तो तीनों में सिंगल बॉन्ड करेंगे, आई मीन ये 2 सिंगल बॉन्ड दे देंगे, तीनों को सिंगल बॉन्ड से कनेक्ट करेंगे। आफ्टर दैट मेक एनी वन ऑफ द बॉन्ड डबल बॉन्ड, इनमें से कोई एक बॉन्ड को आप डबल बॉन्ड कर दो, स्टार्टिंग वाला बॉन्ड को डबल बॉन्ड करो, एट प्रेजेंट ये आपको सुविधा होगा, ठीक है? बाद में हम लोग इसके बारे में और भी जब स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे तो और ज़्यादा क्लियर होता है। तो लेट इट फिल इट बाय हाइड्रोजन CH2 CH CH3। नाउ चेक 2 1 3 हाइड्रोजन 3 3 6 हाइड्रोजन C3H6। अब आपका इच्छा होगा सर हम इसी से 3 कार्बन के बीच में 2 बार डबल बॉन्ड देंगे। ऑब्वियसली इट इज पॉसिबल, एक कार्बन के दोनों साइड में 2 डबल बॉन्ड हो ही सकता है, CO2 कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में देखा जाता है। Now if we fill by hydrogen CH2 double bond C, ये तो 4 हो गया इसमें CH2। Now check the formula, it is C3H4, C3H4 इट्स नॉट C3H6. ओके, सो यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड 2 बार नहीं देंगे फॉर दिस फॉर्मूला. ओके, फॉर दिस फॉर्मूला. नाउ दैट्स योर होमवर्क. देयर इज n इज इक्वल टू 4. क्या बनेगा और उसका स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा. ओके, what will be the formula and what will be the structure. That's it. Now it is clear to all of you that if we double the number of carbon and that will be equal to the number of hydrogen, then it will be alkane. अगर हम लोग कार्बन को डबल करते और उतना ही हाइड्रोजन अगर कंपाउंड में होगा तो ये एल्कीन होगा. मीन्स द क्वेश्चन इज दैट is C5H10 an alkene? Is it alkene? What will be the answer? Check. Here the number of carbon is 5. इसको डबल करो 10 and check the number of hydrogen is 10. So yes, this one is alkene. C3H8. Is it alkene? Is it alkene? Now check. Number of carbon is 3. Double कर दो 6. But number of hydrogen is 8. It's not alkene. तो ये क्या है? अभी भी सीख चुका है. It's alkane. Okay? It's alkane. It's not alkene. Fine. मतलब क्या है कि नंबर ऑफ कार्बन को डबल करो, उससे 2 ऐड करो, अगर हाइड्रोजन मिला एल्केन. नंबर ऑफ कार्बन को डबल कर दो, अगर हाइड्रोजन मिल गया तो एल्कीन. तो दैट्स अ मैटर. तो इतना रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम बात करेंगे alkyne के बारे में. विल डिस्कस अबाउट alkyne in the next class, and I also discuss about the structure of alkyne. We'll discuss about how to identify from a given if the formula is given, that is how to identify that whether the compound is alkane, alkene or alkyne. I'm just preparing the videos up to which I can deliver in online class. That's why somehow in some videos you can observe that the total topic is not covered. Then you have to just wait for the next video. If only obviously that's a bit different. It's quite difficult that to cover all the topics or cover a more amount of topic in a single class obviously. So आप लोग थोड़ा सा ये मेहनत करें. कुछ वीडियो में ऐसा देखेंगे आप लोग कि हो सकता है कि पूरा टॉपिक जो है पूरा उसका कवर नहीं किया गया, तो इसको थोड़ा सा मैनेज करना है. Okay, and wait for the next video, and in the next video we will discuss about the remaining portion.